Okay, so all jokes aside, guys, sorry for the no intro. I wanted to do just a smooth vacuuming session on this rug with a Whirlwind, the wind tunnel, with the LED headlight bulb. So hello everyone to another YouTube video on my channel. This is the Vacuum Collector 2024 vacuuming channel. We got the Whirlwind. As you guys see, she's looking better than ever and still beat the crap out of the wind tunnel. Like the wind tunnel, I don't think it got that much. I was not able to see. Oh yeah, it got a lot. Oh yeah, it got a lot. But it still missed some, as the Whirlwind says. Hey, you missed the spot. Look at all that dust sitting inside of the dustbin. So, I love this vacuum cleaner. I took it apart, refurbished it, completely cleaned it out, rebuilt the brush roll bearings. I tried to put everything back together as it came out, and it's running smoother than what it has ever ran. Now the wind tunnel also has an LED light bulb, but the wind tunnel has a clear white LED bulb. Meanwhile, the Whirlwind has a what's it called? Warm white LED light bulb in it. Sorry for the little camera shake. I shake my tripod. So we still got this other rug to go. I'm gonna be doing it on this other rug with a wind tunnel. Well, this rug I'm gonna do with the Whirlwind only, because the Whirlwind I think is gonna be able to do such an amazing job. I'm gonna pick up that gift bag that we got right there. And I'm gonna be moving the Whirlwind towards this side. Let me just pick up some of the stuff that's on the floor that should not be on the floor, so that way we can start, you know, on using the Whirlwind on this rug. Got a little box right there, so I'm gonna pick up everything and I'm gonna be back. Okay, so here we go. The Whirlwind's set up. Everything has been set up successfully. I want to just hold the power cord upwards a little bit. Okay, here we go. Wow. So this is a 100 subscriber special video on my channel. This is actually a thank you video for all of you guys for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. Now, some of you guys are going to probably see some new units. Sorry for the trash on that side, the Dr. Pepper and the little tree. I got this one. It's already been refurbished. Hoover Windtunnel 3 Pro Pet, or Pet Pro, whatever you guys want to call it. It was used without a pre-motor filter. Got that Hoover Windtunnel. We got a power washer, Hoover Power Dash Pet. We got the Advanced Spectrum. We got the Clean View right here, the old trusty. This is my daily used vacuum cleaner. Got the Windtunnel right here that received LED headlight bulb. Also, this vacuum cleaner also has an LED light bulb, but this one I'm waiting on exhaust filter and a dust cup filter that goes right in here, because if I show you guys right now, the situation doesn't have a filter. When I bought it, the filter was missing, so it was used without a pre-motor filter. I got a video coming up for you guys. Oh, well, that's Another thing that happens, the turbo brush does not like to stay in the vacuum. I don't know if it has something missing on it or something like that. I don't know if something is missing right here, like a bracket of some sort. And so yeah, this is the two videos. The Windtunnel twin chamber bagless. Got it right there, twin chamber system, brand spanking new, looking amazing, shiny. The Whirlwind Limited Plus has a third chance in life, as you guys see. Look at all the dust right there. Look at all the dust right over there. Wow, that's a lot of static. That's static keeping the dust over there in place. So, and we got pretty hefty, you know, swirl marks over there because I picked up some rocks. So yeah, this is one of the newest. Well, one of the newest. Sorry, this is one of the vacuum cleaners that has just been serviced. I took the motor apart. I ran a what's it called? A seating stone on the commutator, and apparently that actually was able to bring everything back together on it. I got a cut right there yesterday from taking this vacuum cleaner apart. Now, a lot of you guys are asking, well, it's just an old Whirlwind. Why are you so interested on servicing it? Look at that. This sticker is what makes me keep fixing the vacuum cleaner no matter how many times it breaks. Warranty by Austin Vacuum Cleaner. So it was a one-owner vacuum cleaner, not pre-owned, nothing like that. As you guys can see right there, warranty by Austin Vacuum Cleaner. It was purchased on 06/09/01, and the warranty expired on 06/09/02. They had a limited 1-year warranty for a bagless machine of the mid-2000s. Yes, it was a lot. Basically, if I remember correctly, no vacuum was offering warranty, like against any defects at that point. So it still lives. It works better than ever, and it's going to continue like that because I'm going to be servicing it. It doesn't matter how much I have to service it. It doesn't matter how much I have to do with it. It doesn't overheat at all like it was doing previously. Like, it was glowing hot. Like, even the YouTube translator was actually, you know, detecting the sign language. But it got warm, but it's not like burning hot. You know, previously it was overheating a lot. Now I got the exhaust filter drying right here on my desktop for tomorrow. So I got another vacuum cleaner coming. It's to Power Force. It's not a 12 amp Power Force. It's one of those 10 amp, 8 amp. I don't remember exactly how many amps they are, but it's a cheapo model. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be getting more vacuum cleaners in the collection as we start to grow. Thank you so much for the 100 subscribers. It means the world to me, you know, seeing that you people are interested in the videos. If you guys like to see a vacuum cleaner like a Versus or something, feel free to comment any requests that you guys have. I have some really special videos coming up. Mainly probably tomorrow I'm going to be recording another video, but this time I'm going to be doing some testing, some mass test. The Windtunnel twin chamber versus the Whirlwind. Those are the only, well, no, I have 3 vacuum cleaners that are working decently on my collection. Well, that one also works amazing, but it needs a filter. So that one, at the moment, it's you know, out of the equation. But the Windtunnel twin chamber bagless system works amazing. The Whirlwind has just been refurbished. The Clean View and the Spectrum, 4 vacuum cleaners that actually work, but the Spectrum actually needs a new pair of bearings. So I'm going to be working on getting a pair of replacement bearings for it. The Power Dash Pet carpet washer also works amazing, but it has a bearing noise to it. So yeah, feel free to comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to record something out for you guys, a celebration of 100 subscribers. I'm recording this at around 5 p.m. As you guys see, I got a couple towels up there to kind of cover the sunlight from getting into my room. So thank you so much, guys, for the opportunity to basically, to watch my videos, to choosing me over 1,000 YouTubers that are more interesting. There's into every vacuum collector. Thank you so much for being such a great society and for welcoming a lot of new, colleagues and things like that. Like, a lot of people have been actually helping me a lot in the vacuum collector, in the vacuum collector group, Facebook group, yeah, and the vacuum collector Facebook group. A lot of people have been helping me. Any sort of hiccup I run into, they're always there giving me support and trying to explain how things go. Whenever I screw up something, thank you so much to everyone that has actually clicked on the videos, clicked on the like button, clicked on the comment. As I previously mentioned, don't feel afraid to leave any suggestions, any videos that you guys might want. I'm open to requests. Like, I'm totally open to requests. Like, I don't know, if you would like to do like a mess test between this vacuum cleaner and the Whirlwind. The Whirlwind Plus, or if you guys would like to see the Clean View, how it's doing. The Clean View and the Whirlwind are actually the oldest vacuum cleaners in the collection. The Whirlwind, I've had it for a year now, more than a year, so it needed a refurb now. It needed a refurb because it's been with me in a year, like a year without me not using it all that much, but I'm also not, I don't baby it. But I washed it, I cleaned the filters are drying and everything. It's working great. Suction, it's doing great. We got the second oldest vacuum cleaner in the collection is the Clean View. The third one is the Advance, and then the fourth one and the fifth. Well, the fourth is the Hoover Windtunnel twin chamber. Then both of those, the Hoover Paradash Pet and the Hoover Windtunnel 3 Pro Pet, or Pet Pro, whatever you guys want to call it. I call it a Windtunnel 3 Pro Pet because, as you can see, here you got 3, here you got the Pro, and then the Pet. So it's a Windtunnel 3 Pet Pro. It makes more sense to call it a Pet Pro. But I don't know what Hoover was thinking when they named this vacuum cleaner. It works great. It has an LED headlight bulb. It's quiet as a whistle. I have a video prepared for you guys. So thank you so much once again for clicking on my videos, choosing me to enjoy your favorite snacks, to enjoy some popcorn, some Mountain Dew, some Dr. Pepper. Comment if you love Dr. Pepper. Some Coke, some Mountain Dew, Blue, Green, Monster, whatever is your drink of preference, or a beer. I've heard people watch my videos drinking a beer, or just, having your vacuuming session while watching someone else vacuum. So, yeah. Thank you so much for choosing me over any other YouTuber. I bet there are like 1,000 YouTubers that do make better videos than I do. But I'm working on upgrading everything to you guys, making my videos better quality, editing the videos, cutting off things that are not exactly necessary inside of the video. So I'm learning editing videos. Trust me, working on vacuum cleaners, I've known it since I was 6 years old, But until now, I'm actually making my own money and actually buying my own vacuum cleaners. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys mean the world to me. You all mean the world to me because some girls also watch my videos. Some woman, I apologize. Some woman actually, I got a female audience. Thank you so much to all of my subscribers, to all of my male subscribers, my female subscribers. It means the world to me, that you guys appreciate my content. I do appreciate you guys also for, leaving a comment, and thank you so much. Continue subscribing. Continue watching my videos. It means the world to me, and I bet that someday I'm gonna actually be able to own like 1,000 vacuum cleaners. Like, that's my plan. That's my main goal, own a lot of vacuum cleaners. And I'm gonna be doing some spring cleaning maybe next weekend. And I'm gonna be recording a really special video. So this Friday, I need to make that advanced spectrum work. Put new bags, put a new filter into it, because I'm going to be needing a commercially rated vacuum cleaner. And the Hoover Power Dash pad is also going to be serviced. Although I already serviced it, I did not repack the bearings on the motor, but I did repack the bearings on the brush roller. But the motor, I left it alone. It's a carpet cleaner. Like, the motor is always going to be wet. The bearings are always going to be getting wet. I don't think that it has an issue with the bearings, but it might. I don't know. I'm going to be figuring out this weekend to see what we can do, in order to make it a little bit better, because I'm probably going to be going to wash a carpet in a church. Yep. Vacuum, obviously a pre-vacuuming session, and then we're going to be working on washing the carpet. So now, that Power Dash pad is probably not cut for a commercial job. I'm going to probably have to be emptying it all like 6 times, but I'm sure it's going to be doable. So thank you so much, guys. Once again, like, subscribe, comment if you enjoyed the video. Leave any suggestions, any requests, any vacuum cleaner that you guys would like to see in regards of these 3 vacuum cleaners that we have in line. The Hoover Windtunnel Twin Chamber, the Clean View, and the Advanced Spectrum, or the Whirlwind. If you guys want to see any videos regarding the Whirlwind, leave a like, comment, subscribe, any requests that you guys have. Thank you so much once again, and I hope you guys enjoy my content and stay safe out there. Goodbye, and thank you so much to all of you guys. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me that you guys are enjoying my content. I love doing the content too. Like, I love showing my audience my collection. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day and a great night.